हाँ हाँ ठीक है, ओके, थैंक यू. गुड इवनिंग. Hello everyone. We'll start our sessions on Indian geography part. As we discussed previously also that questions are here now in the prelims part. It is more dicey in the sense of one cannot expect only your factual basis, also the conceptual part also embedded in the question. So we'll analyze in that manner. So I would request to all of you, while having thorough discussions, keep engaging yourselves so that you will get the maximum benefits of this sessions. Okay, let's go ahead. The first question is that in context with the monsoon winds, consider the following statements. Particularly in context with the monsoon winds, consider the following statements. They are generally regular and equally distributed winds. Particularly, they are generally regular and equally distributed winds. They show a complete reversal of wind during a year. Particularly, they are generally regular and equally distributed winds. They are generally orographic in nature. Orographic in nature. They are generally orographic in nature. Okay, we'll discuss this one. Which among the following statements is are correct? First question it is, this is the questions regarding your monsoon winds, right? Monsoon winds super. First time they are generally regular and equally distributed winds. Regular or equally distributed winds. Yes, this is correct. They are the regular and equally distributed winds. They show complete reversal of directions during a year. Yes, this is also correct. Okay. They are generally orographic in nature. This is also correct. But this is, they are generally regular and equally distributed. No, they are not equally distributed. So hence 2 and 3 is correct. So B is your answers. Okay. See, in such type of questions, while means after every 2 subsequent questions we'll discuss the answers. But here what I wanted to convey, key particularly whenever we are discussing this part, just take a pause a while. See, generally the most regular and equally distributed. What is the most the loophole or lacune? Monsoon winds are generally regular, it is not, and equally. These are the key verbs which rejects the total characteristic of monsoon. Monsoon are generally not regular, okay, and equally distributed. Generally they are jadi specific generally they are regular, okay, but actually it is not, it is periodic monsoons. In every, though had it been written generally they are periodic in nature, it could have correct, but regular no, it is irregular. Generally they are not regular. Next time the origin of which among the following rivers is in Tibet? Satluj, Indus and Ghagra. Select the correct option from the code. Satluj, Indus and Ghagra. Tibet ru kiye baharchi? Generally it is your Satluj, Indus, okay, and also regarding the Ghagra, Ghagra also 1, 2, 3 are correct. 2 is D. So see, they are generally regular and equally distributed winds. Basically, they are generally regular and equally distributed winds. This is incorrect, as I said. We have discussed they are not regular or they are not harmony distributed. Monsoon winds, suppose, listen carefully. Monsoon winds when strike in the Kerala coast, one is your Arabian Sea and another is your Bay of Bengal coast, right? Had it been there regular, the Tamil Nadu coast could have get the sufficient rainfall, but exactly it is not. Okay, this particular remains part is drier, or particularly it didn't get any rainfall from the southwest monsoon. It has to be very clear from this one. Okay, this has to be very clear from this notions from this one. Okay, next. Monsoon winds are not equally distributed winds because they do not blow evenly. They do not blow evenly. This is the reason of unequal distributions of rainfall all over the India. This is the reason of unequal distributions of rainfall all over the India. They show a complete reversal of direction during a year. It is correct. I have given the sufficient backup for this. Monsoon winds are not equally distributed winds because they do not blow evenly. This is the reason of unequal distributions of rainfall all over the India. Okay, someone evenly hontini. For example, I am taking Tamil Nadu coast. For example, if I say the Vidarbha region of Maharashtra, okay, and the adjoining areas of your Telangana, right? So this was the complete, sufficient background that it connotes that how the monsoon winds are irregular or uneven. Next, this is the correct statement. Regarding the main features of the monsoon winds, they are generally orographic in nature. Basically, they are generally orographic in nature. This is correct. Orographic in nature means this is orographic in nature means they precipitate, these clouds precipitate when they climb off. These clouds precipitate when they climb up. There is an precipitation basically. This is also a correct statement. Rainfall due to monsoon winds is mainly orographic in nature, in relief in nature, particularly in India, particularly. Okay. Next. Ghagra is a transboundary perennial river, particularly. Ghagra is a transboundary perennial river originating on the Tibetan plateau near Lake Mansarovar. Particularly, Tibetan plateau near Lake Mansarovar. It cuts through the Himalayas in Nepal and joins the Sarda River at Brahmaghat in India. I would like to say it cuts through the Himalayas in Nepal and joins the Sarda River at Brahmaghat in India. Indus River, originating in the Tibetan plateau of western China, is in the vicinity of Lake Mansarovar in Tibet Autonomous Region. The river runs a course through the Ladakh district of Jammu and Kashmir and then enters Pakistan via northern areas, that is Gilgit-Baltistan. That is Gilgit-Baltistan. Flowing through the north in a southerly directions along the entire length of Pakistan to merge in the Arabian Sea near the port city of Karachi in Sindh. It is basically near the port city of Karachi in Sindh. Satluj River, the longest of the 5 rivers that flow through the historic crossroad region of Punjab. Satluj River में कौन कहली? The longest of the 5 rivers that flow through the historic crossroad region of Punjab in northern India and Pakistan originates near Lake Rakshasthal. Originate near Lake Rakshasthal. Satluj River Baharchi in Tibet near Mount Kailas. It flows generally west and southwest entering India through the Sibkhila Pass in Himachal Pradesh. See, I am discuss I am talking about the Satluj River and see how the Satluj River ki kette perennial and kette wide coverage Satluj River Tibet west and southwest entering India through the Sibkhila Pass, particularly Sibkhila Pass. in Himachal Pradesh? Consider the following statements about Bhungro technology. Next question. The technology is most prevalent in southern India. The technology is most prevalent in southern India. This technology helps in supplying water in the drier months and lessens the salt content in the soil, particularly. The technology helps in supplying water in dry months and lessens the salt content in the soil. Which of the following statements are correct? One only, two only, both one and two, and neither one and two. The technology is the most prevalent in southern India. The technology helps in supplying water in the dry months and lessens the salt content of the soil. This is correct. It is not a southern area. This is western India. We will discuss this one. So only two is correct. The answer is B for Bombay. Next. Which of the following regions of India is best suited to cotton cultivations, particularly? That is Deccan Plateau, Northeast India, Indo-Gangetic Plain, and East Coastal Plains. Deccan Plateau, Northeast India, Indo-Gangetic Plain, and East Coastal Plains, particularly. Of course, answer is your, that is A. Deccan Plateau. We'll discuss. Bhungro technology, it is the first statement is incorrect because the technology is most prevalent in Western India. Western India is बहुत prevalent, especially in Gujarat. Gujarat is most prevalent this one, Bhungro technology. Black soil is considered the best for your cotton cultivation. Black soil is mainly found in the Deccan Plateau. Deccan Plateau re black soil mainly देखा जाए. Deccan Lava Plateau re. So most of the cotton cultivation is confined to these regions. However, cotton also grows well in alluvial soils of Satluj Ganga plain. Satluj Ganga plain re cotton also grows well, and red and laterite soils of the peninsular regions. About 70% of the total cotton is produced in Gujarat, Maharashtra, Telangana, and Andhra Pradesh. Gujarat, Maharashtra, Telangana, or Andhra Pradesh. Cotton is produced in that is one is your Gujarat cotton day. Gujarat particularly this region, Rajkot, एपट एरिया रे है कच्छ सेंट्रल एरिया रे देखा जाए है गुजरात पर महाराष्ट्र आसुची महाराष्ट्र रे भी कॉटन देन योर तेलंगाना then your Andhra Pradesh. Gujarat, Maharashtra, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Next देखिए consider the following lakes: Lunar Lake, Chilka and Ullar Lake. Which of the above is our saline lakes? Kiya vitru? Saline lake kiye? Chilka is not saline. Ullar also. It is your no, sorry. Chilka is your brackish, means water. Ullar lake is your fresh water. 3 is cancel. 2 only. Chilka we know. Lunar also. So A1, 2 correct. Hello? No, sorry. A answer 1 and 2 only. These are correct. Discuss. Omkareshwar hydroelectric project, power project, is associated with which of the following rivers? Which of the following rivers is Omkareshwar hydroelectric project associated? Luni, Narmada, Chambal, Sabarmati. It is your the answer. It is yours Narmada. B for Bombay. Lonar Lake is a saline soda lake located in the Lonar in Buldana district of Maharashtra. Lonar in Buldana district of Maharashtra. Chilka Lake is a brackish water lagoon spread over Puri, Khordha and Ganjam district of Odisha. Urla Lake, one of the largest freshwater lake in Asia, particularly it is located in the Bandipora district of Jammu and Kashmir. Bandipora district of Jammu Kashmir, Ular Lake. Okay. Ular Lake जदि हमें देखिबा it is an glacial origin, that is why it is fresh water. And Bandipora, Jammu and Kashmir. Lonar Lake, जोड़ा कि Buldana district, Maharashtra. This is also recently it is also comes under your Ramsar site. Recently this comes under your Ramsar site also. Then Omkareshwar hydroelectric project जब तुम कहोगे Omkareshwar HP is situated near Omkareshwar temple in Mandhata village in Khandwa district of Madhya Pradesh. It is in the Khandwa district of Madhya Pradesh Omkareshwar project. This hydroelectric project is built over the Narmada river. This hydroelectric project is built over your Narmada river, particularly. Omkareshwar hydroelectric project. Omkareshwar is also your Omkareshwar is also your one of the Jyotirling is there. Omkareshwar Jyotirling, Baba Bolnath ka, Omkareshwar. So this is one of the famous project. This is located in your Narmada river. I can say this is your Narmada river in Madhya Pradesh. In Madhya Pradesh, this one. Okay, next question we'll discuss. See, next question, read the question now. With reference to the Aravalli ranges, which among the following observation is correct? Okay, they are old fold mountains. They have been highly eroded by the agents of gradation. There are numerous rift valley in Aravalli region. First is your one is your old fold mountain. Second is highly eroded by the agents of gradation. Then there are the numerous rift valley in the Aravalli regions. This one is correct. Yes, Aravalli is an old fold mountain. They have been highly eroded by the agents of gradation. Which are the agents of gradation? Agents of gradations we'll discuss while discussing, and the rift valley. Yes, all three are correct. This is also correct. This is also correct. This is also correct. So D for Delhi. Okay. Next, which of the following crops are included in the National Food Security Mission? National Food Security Mission, which of the following crops are included? Cotton, jute, sugarcane, and oil palm. cotton, jute, sugarcane, and oil palm. Correct options from the codes given below. Okay. Cotton, jute, sugarcane, and oil palm. Select the correct option from the code given below. Cotton, jute, sugarcane, and your oil palm. National Food Security Mission, cotton, jute, sugarcane, and oil palm. Correct options from the code given below. So your answer is your food security missions re your particularly it is cotton, jute, sugarcane. It is A is correct. We'll see. Yeah, A and A, both 1 and 2. See. Excuse me. Aravalli range re first two statements are correct. Okay, and this one is numerous Rift Valley in Aravalli region. Okay, this is not. It is only the Delhi is. It's not. Total is correct. Third option is wrong. National Food Security Missions re oil palm is not there, and others are correct particularly. Okay, from 2004-5 till 2013-14, the oil seeds, pulses, maize were included in the integrated schemes of oil seeds. Integrated schemes of oil seeds, pulses, oil palm, and maize. Right? Oil seeds, pulses, oil palm, and maize. In 2014-15, pulses and maize were moved to National Food Security Mission. National Food Security Mission. National Food Security Mission. While a different mission, national missions on oil seeds and oil palm. National missions on oil seed and oil palm, including tree-borne oil seeds, that is TBO, tree-borne oil seeds, was launched. Thus, oil seeds are not under NFSM, National Food Security Missions, as of now. NFSM has 5 components, that is rice, wheat, pulses, core cereals, and commercial crops. Rice, wheat, pulses, core cereals, and commercial crops. Rice, wheat, pulses, coarse cereals, and commercial crops. Rice, wheat, pulses, coarse cereals, and commercial crops. These are the 5. Those are your comes under your National Food Security Mission. Okay. Then consider the following statements. Allahabad, that is Allahabad, that is your Haldia district. Allahabad जो देखियो your Allahabad Haldia stretch of Ganges Bhagirathi Hooghly river system. Ganges Bhagirathi and Hooghly river system. In India's first national waterway. Then national waterways in India are declared by legislations. Then which among the following statements is correct? एटी भल भाव देखिए Allahabad Haldia stretch of Ganges Bhagirathi Hooghly river system is India's first national waterway. This is correct. This comes under your national waterway 1. National waterway 1. The national waterways in India as declared by the legislations. National waterways in India is declared by your legislations particularly. Yes, this is also correct. So both 1 and 2 are correct. Then consider the following statements. The Tropic of Cancer passes through 6 states of India. Next, while moving from west towards India, Oman is the last country on land through which Tropic of Cancer passes before entering India. Through which Tropic of Cancer passes before entering India. Tropic of Cancer passes through 6 states. This is wrong. Actually, this is your 8 states. We'll discuss this one. So this one is wrong and this is correct. Oman is the last country of the land through which Tropic of Cancer before entering India. So only option 2 is correct, B for Bombay. Inland Waterways Authority of India, that is IWA, was created by the Indian government on 27th October 1986. 27th October 1996 for the development and regulations of inland waterways. Development and regulation of inland waterways for shipping and navigation. For shipping and navigations, the authority primarily undertakes projects for development and maintenance of inland waterway. Development and maintenance of inland waterway, terminal infrastructures on national waterways through grant received from the Ministry of Shipping, Road, Transport and Highways. Ministry of Shipping, Road, Transport and Highways. The head office is at Noida. The national waterways as created by legislations. The national waterways are created by your legislations particularly. That is National Waterway 1. The authority primarily undertakes projects for development and maintenance of inland waterways. The head office is at Noida. अच्छा, जब हम ये discuss करिए क्या particularly what is the real actual here? Here it is. This is development. This is your. And this is your national waterway, and that is, I mean to say, this one is your Prayagraj or Allahabad previously. This is your Prayagraj and this is your Hooghly. This is your national waterway 1. Your national waterway 1, जोड़ा कि तारा head office is at Noida particularly. Okay. So and this particular system is on your river Ganga. Okay. Next, देखिए. The first statement is incorrect because Tropic of Cancer passes through the states of Gujarat. Just here, let him it would have more correct. जदि मुझे कहबी दिस इज द सेकेंड लाइन, दिस इज द मोर एक्यूरेट है। तो ये देखियो जदि तुमरा वेस्ट टू ईस्ट को धरम आसीबी है, वेस्ट को ईस्ट, it is your Gujarat, then Rajasthan, then Madhya Pradesh, then Chhattisgarh, then Jharkhand, then West Bengal, then Tripura, then Mizoram, right? Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, है ना, 1 2 वैसे गुजरात, राजस्थान, मध्य प्रदेश, छत्तीसगढ़, झारखंड, वेस्ट बंगाल, त्रिपुरा, and this is your Mizoram. So these are the things west to east को आसिले, these are the correct chronological order. Consider the following matches. देखिए next your Almaty Dam and the river Krishna, your Pulichintala project, that is Kaveri river, Kollabram project, that is Godavari river. Which of the following statement is correct? So Pollapram project is an Godavari river, this is also correct, and Almaty Dam, this is also Almaty Dam is an river Krishna. Okay, Almaty Dam is your number 3. Okay, this is also correct. Pulichintal also Kaveri. So this D for Delhi. Next, consider the following rivers: Tons, Betwa, and Kane. Following is a tributary of Yamuna. Which are among the following are your tributary of Yamuna? Two and three only, 1 and 2, and 1, 3 and all. Betwa and Kane are the tributary of Yamuna. 2 and 3 only. Tons, tributary of Yamuna, Chambal, Betwa, Kane, Tons. So Tons also. So 1 and 2. The Tons is the Tons etymology. Tons is the tributary of your. It is your Ganga particularly. So answer is your 2 and 3 only. Just a minute, let me confirm this one. So we can say just I'm making the change here. 1, 2, 3 are correct. Here also Tons also your tributary of Yamuna. I can say Tons. This is also the tributary of your Achha. So this is correct also. All are correct. Just make a small corrections here also. 1, 2 or 3 correct. Tons river, that is in your Himachal Pradesh. One another Tons is there. That is also your tributary of Yamuna. So the Almaty Dam. Almaty Dam is a project on the Krishna river in North Karnataka. North Karnataka re Almaty Dam is a project, basically is in Krishna River in North Karnataka. Puli Chintala project is a terminal reservoir in River Krishna, on River Krishna. It has been named after eminent engineer and former Union Minister Mr. K.L. Rao. Right? The Puli Chintala Dam built across the Krishna River between areas of Nalgonda on one side and Guntur on the other side. Nalgonda on the one side, Nalgonda on the one side and Guntur on the other side. Is the third major irrigation project after the Sri Sailam and Nagarjuna Sagar project. Sri Sailam and Nagarjuna Sagar project. Pollabram, Andhra Pradesh has been constructing Pollabram project on the river Godavari. It is a controversial project between Andhra Pradesh and Odisha. The Pollabram project is a controversial project between the Andhra Pradesh government and Odisha. Andhra Pradesh versus Odisha. Recently, Odisha government has opposed a visit of 3 members central team to discuss the controversial project and seeking impose the ban on the dam constructions, particularly. Ban on the dam constructions. So Pollabram project, we know that one. Pollabram project is a controversial project. Many times the government has government has took initiative for this. So we can say this controversial project can be also not yet decided. Also, Water Tribunal also took initiative to do such, but it was not yet settled now. खाली এটা no, India's maximum river project is in doldrum. I mean, there is no clear cut settlement of this. 12 number देखिए. All given rivers are tributary to Yamuna River, particularly tributary to the Yamuna River. Ken joins Yamuna at Fatehpur in Uttar Pradesh. Ken joins Yamuna at Fatehpur in Uttar Pradesh. Tons near Dehradun in Uttarakhand. All given rivers are tributary to Yamuna River. The Ken River Yamuna in Fatehpur, Uttar Pradesh. Tons near Dehradun in Uttarakhand. And Betwa joins Yamuna near Hamirpur in the Uttar Pradesh. Tons, Tons River also Ganga tributary. Kemti, where another river named Tons means in joins Ganga, जोटा कि मध्य प्रदेश रो बाहरी की, है मध्य प्रदेश रो विंध्यान रेंज रो बाहरी की, it flows and it joins Ganga in Uttar Pradesh also. है आगोटे उत्तराखंड रे आगोटे उत्तर प्रदेश माने गोटे टॉप रे गोटे टर्न्स अछि, है यमुना को जॉइन करछि, आगोटे तळे बॉटम रे गोटे टर्न्स जोटा कि गंगा को जॉइन करछि. Next, what is the approximate total length of railway track in India? Railway track total it is 1,21,407 and 1,55,560, 67,368, 67,368 and 45,672 kilometer. Total length of railway track. Total length of railway track, it is near about, we can say, in India, total length of railway track, it is 1,55,560. Also 67,360. This one. Which of the following river does not originate in the Indian territory? Brahmaputra, Mahanadi, Ravi, Chenab. Of course, it is Brahmaputra. Tibbatra. So, it is answer A. The Indian Railway is one of the world's largest railway networks, comprising of 1,21,407 km of track length over the route length is equal to your 67,368 km. 67,368 km. Indian Railway is the world's fourth largest railway after US, Russia and China. Particularly US, Russia or China pare. US, Russia and China pare. India fourth largest, carried some 23 million passengers every day, around 1060 million tons of freight in a year. Okay. Next, देखिए, Brahmaputra river is also called Sangpo in Tibet. Is one of the main rivers in Asia. It has its origin in Himalayas of Tibet. It flows through Tibet, India and Bangladesh. Tibet, India and Bangladesh रे बहिकी जाउछे. केमती how the origin? This region बाहर से ब्रह्मपुत्र बाहरी की enter होचे, enter है Bangladesh. This is Bangladesh. ठीक है, Bangladesh रे enter करछे. So Tibet region enter flow करछे 1. India Assam Arunachal Namcha पसिला 2. इटी Bangladesh रे 3. है. So it flows through Tibet, India and Bangladesh. It is 2,900 km long. Massive flooding occurs when the ice melts in the spring. Spring season इतले ice melt करे, massive flood way. Next, which city located in the state of Gujarat is famous for jari production? Famous for your jari production. Surajkot, Rajkot, Surendranagar and Ahmedabad. Jari productions by your Rajkot is famous. Rajkot is an important city which is famous means for your jari productions. It's Rajkot. Jari productions means your clothes basically. Next, which is the oldest mountain range in India? Himalayas, Nilgiris, Aravallis and Vindhyachal. The oldest. The oldest key, it is your Aravalli. C. The Surat Jari craft is a textile product of Surat district in Gujarat, in India, which is made from yarns of silk and cotton. Yarns of yarns of silk and cotton mixed with gold, silver and copper. Okay, silver, gold and copper, that is AgAuCu. This is silver, gold and copper. The jari threads are used to make intricate designs weaving into generally silk fabrics. Basically, silk fabrics generally jari use. Next, the Aravalli range is an eroded stub of unseen mountains. Aravalli देखिए यदि pre-Cambrian age को धरा हुआ Aravalli यदि हमें देखुछन्ती, this is your okay. Okay, so Aravalli range, this is this is your Aravalli. Okay, so this belongs to your Precambrian period. This near about the formation expected 3,500 to 4,000 million years. 3,000 to 500 4,000 4,000 million years old Aravalli. The natural history of the Aravalli range dates back to the times when the Indian plate was transferred into Eurasian plate by an ocean. When the Indian plate was separated from the separate European plate, right? Indian plate was separated from the European plate by an ocean. Next, देखिए root folk is a folk dance. It has the origin in which of the following states? Rof is a folk dance. Is an origin of which states? Himachal, Assam, Mizoram, and Kashmir. Himachal, Assam, Mizoram, Kashmir. Okay, roof dance. Himachal, Assam, Mizoram, and Kashmir. It is your Assam. Which Indian state has a name from the 5 rivers that once flowed through the state? Panchanath. That named Panchanath. Here say that is nothing but your Punjab. B for Punjab. Okay. Roof dance it is Kashmir. Basically the roof is a folk dance from which mainly practiced by the women folk of the Kashmir Valley mainly women folk practice kara jay roof dance ta. Roof is a customary dance and is performed by during Eid and Ramzan festival. Eid or Ramzan festival basically seta kara jay. This dance is performed by women in 2 groups. Basically women in 2 groups re jo mane tanko e dance ta particularly seti perform kara jay. Roof dance. Roof dance, it can be pronounced as roof dance particularly. Kashmir, this is your traditional dance of Kashmir. Next, Punjab is one of the richest state of India. The origin of its name is from the 5 rivers once flowed through the state. The rivers like Ravi, Beej, Satluj, Jhelum, and Indus. Ravi, Beej, Satluj, Jhelum, and Indus. These are the post-independence part of Punjab now lies in Pakistan, but still remains the same name, particularly Panchanath. Indus, Panchanath, Panchanath basically Indus and her tributaries को mainly बुझाए. Next, which of the following river the Bhakra Dam is situated? This is easy. Bhakra Dam is situated on Satluj River. देखिए Satluj River upare your Bhakra is situated. Bhakra Dam basically is concrete cavity dam on Satluj River in Bilaspur district of Himachal Pradesh in northern India. Bhakra Dam. The dam forms Gobind Sagar Reservoir. The dam located at the gorge near upstream in Bhakra village in Bilaspur district of Himachal Pradesh. Particularly Bhakra, actually जो देखिए जो Bhakra and Nangal. These are the 2 different names जो कि Bhakra और Nangal. Bhakra village in Bilaspur district of Himachal Pradesh is a height of 226 meters. है जोटा कि सतलुज रिवर रही भाखरा डैम कंक्रीट ग्रेविटी कंक्रीट रही जोटा कि इन बिलासपुर डिस्ट्रिक्ट सतलुज रिवर बिलासपुर डिस्ट्रिक्ट अच्छा नेक्स्ट भाखरा डैम इज ए कंक्रीट ग्रेविटी डैम ऑन द सतलुज रिवर इन बिलासपुर है in Bilaspur and Himachal Pradesh and northern India. Okay, the dam forms Gobind Sagar Reservoir. This dam located at the gorge near submerged upstream Bhakra village in Bilaspur district of Himachal Pradesh of a height up to 26 meter. The length of the dam is measured from the road above it. The width is generally 9.1 meter. Its reservoir is known as Gobind Sagar strokes. Okay, Gobind Sagar strokes up to that are capable of 9.3 billion cubic meter of water. The 90-kilometer long reservoir created by the Bhakra Dam is spread over an area of 168.35. 168.35 square kilometer. Next. Describe the new temple of Resident India by Jawaharlal Nehru. Okay, the first Prime Minister of India. The dam attracts tourists from all over India. Bhakra Dam is 15 kilometer. Bhakra Dam is 15 kilometer from the Nangal city and 20 kilometer from the Naina Devi town. Naina Devi town is an small town in Nainital. I mean in your Nainital district, particularly, is a very nice place. Naina Devi town, Bhakra Nangal or Naina Devi town is very famous. This one. So they have the right here. This is the Bhakra Nangal dam. Look at this one, Bhakra Nangal dam. This is your river, Satluj. How this river during the flood time, water is full. It encroaches the embankments. This encroaches the embankments particularly. Bhakra Nangal dam. This is encroaches the embankments particularly. Bhakra Nangal dam. Okay, Bhakra Nangal dam. This Bhakra Nangal dam is a multi-river valley project. MRVP we can say multi-river valley project, which was envisaged by multi-river valley project. This is your multi-river valley project. It's multi-river valley project envisaged by Government of India. This is given by your Government of India during the Prime Ministership of your Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. During the Pandit J. Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru ji. The main purpose of constructing this dam is to give particularly we can say give to the water conservation. Particularly this is mainly for the water conservations, and we can say particularly water conservation for what? It is for your irrigation mainly. For the irrigations activity, particular irrigation activity providing water to the states like Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh itself. Also, this provides safe drinking water, particularly safe drinking water to the your Delhi regions, particularly safe drinking water to the Delhi regions. Delhi region को भी पानी जोगिया पे. This is the mainly. So Bhakra Nangal Dam has an enormous, we can say, Bhakra Nangal Dam has immense potential in your serving the needs of the country, or particularly in these states, Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Delhi regions also. So irrigation was the main, and also your water conservation, and also through HEP productions, means hydroelectric power productions, it caters the water need of the drier, sorry, it is not the water, it is it caters the power need of the deficit regions, particularly deficit region means wherever the power shortage. This particular, after independence, suddenly power shortage has observed in the states which are industrialized, particularly industries. So Bhakra Nangal project has envisaged to solve the need of this particular areas, or particular we can say these parameters are mainly which is envisaged by our the government of India with to solve the projects particularly. Okay. Next, so this is the way that how we are going to discuss the questions overall. It is Bhakra Nangal project. It is not necessary that only to know that Bhakra Nangal project is on the river Satluj. Bhakra Nangal project that is also more important to know that one. Okay. ठीक अच्छे जोटा कि आमे डिस्कस कले जेमती एटी भी क्वेश्चन जेमती मु कहछि रफ इज एन फोक डांस ऑफ कश्मीर. तो रफ ऊपर भी आमे बहुत जिंस आमे देखि पारे कि रफ डांस रे कोन हेतला हला व्हाट आर द थिंग्स रफ डांस ऊपर हला. एंड सिमिलरली इंडियन स्टेट जदम कहबी कि व्हिच अमंग द फॉलोइंग 5 रिवर्स जॉइंट हला जोटा कि आमे देखले कि इंडस एंड हर ट्रिब्यूटरीज जॉइंट इन द पंजाब. अब एई जोगु ही त नाटा change heichi, it is rakha jaichi tara the name has kept as your Punjab. Okay, Panchanadru Punjab heichi. Semti eti dekhile which is the oldest fold mountain jota ki mu kahile Aravallis hela. Jari production pai your Rajkot is famous for this one jota ki hela. This is the way that we can discuss hela jota ki amara major rahibo hela. So for today this much. We'll again meet in the next time. So thank you all of you, and apply this particular method so that you will get maximum knowledge from the sessions. Okay, thank you very much. Have a good day. Thank you all.